Another new feature that's been added to the BobCAD-CAM version 31 is on the advanced Z-level finish, we've changed some of the options for the linking position. Now, with all the power available to the advanced Z-level finish, there was one area that was always lacking. The toolpath calculation determined the start point. When programming a part, the more control you have, the better. And that's why now with your version 31, we now offer control over exactly where your advanced Z-level finish starts. The start point can be selected from the graphics area or entered manually. So right now what we're seeing is just the default location. It's plunging in here and then it's going to work its way down along the part. Now if I go and right click on my feature 3 axis and say edit, I can go to the links page. Now on the links page, we have this new option here called the linking position. Now when you check this option, it first gives you the ability to shift your subsequent passes by a certain distance. Now this allows each pass to be started at a specified distance further along than the last one was started. So if I just change this to an 1/8 inch, and then I'm just gonna hit finish, I'm not gonna hit compute, we can see this link from the top here to this cut is just following it directly. So it's just going straight down the surface. So as we cut around, we then have to stop and make these 90-degree drops. So by changing the linking position, now if I recompute this toolpath, we can see that the link no longer goes 90 degrees. It's actually moving an 1/8 inch over for the next link. So you're going to be using these angled links around the entire part. Now the other thing we can do is change exactly where this is starting. Maybe I don't want to start it over here. I want to start it over on this side. So what I can do is right click on my feature and say edit, and then go to my links, and then right here I can choose my start location. So right here we'll go ahead and hit pick, and then actually go in, hover over this edge right here, and it'll eventually pop up the snap points. Then I'm going to go ahead and just pick this snap point right over here, and then hit OK. Now when I go and compute my toolpath, instead of it coming out over here, it's going to switch to over here. It's also going to have that shift placed on it. So it's going to shift it and have that new linking on it right there. So you're able to go and pick exactly where the start point is for your Z-level finish. And that concludes the video on picking your start point for the advanced Z-level finish.